How to change permalink structure on WordPress. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now, first things first, you'll want to open up your WordPress account, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on settings, and from here you can then go ahead and see a permalink option on your settings. In my case, unfortunately, I don't have that setting, but if you then want to navigate through your post right here, go ahead and click on a post, wait for it to load in, and right after we can then go ahead and see the links of our post right here. Now if I go ahead and browse through my post setting, you can then go ahead and see the link, so you can just go ahead and click on it, and from here we can then go ahead and edit out the link structure. You can just go ahead and put anything you want to, go ahead and hit on enter, and you should be good to go. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.